topic lesson reproduction in plants. Today also we are going to continue the same topic, last topic in the chapter. Here today we have the topic germination. What is germination? Germination is nothing but a baby plant inside the seed grows into a seedling. A baby plant inside the seed grows into a seedling. Here what are the requirements for a seed to grow into a seedling? The seed needs air, water, warmth and sunlight. Air, water, warmth and soil also here. Otherwise nutrients are important to grow. So these are the important materials need to grow into a new seedling from the seed. So here we have given one experiment. That experiment let us see. Before that we have to know how a seed grows into a seedling. We have given the diagram here. So here seed is there and when it got water, warmth and nutrients, then it grows into a new seedling. Next, first of all root tip will grow, then shoot tip means leaves arise. First of all roots grow, later leaves arise from the seed. Next it grows into a new plant seedling. So this is called germination. Here we have given a experiment. So for this you have to take 4 plates and put some cotton in each of them. Place some soaked seeds. Soaked means what? You have to take one bowl, keep some seeds in it, pour some water. For 1-2 hours you have to leave like that only. When the seeds absorb the water, then they are called soaked seeds. Soaked seeds. Soaked seeds means nanabettina ginjalu. Soaked seeds. So then you have to take 4 plates, 4 cotton balls and you have to add water to the cotton balls and keep seeds. Here we have given 4 steps. In first step, wet cotton in one plate and keep it in the refrigerator. In one plate, you have to wet the cotton and keep in the plate and keep the seeds in that cotton and keep the total arrangement in the refrigerator. In second step, keep the second plate in a warm place but do not wet the cotton. In second case, you do not add water to the cotton ball. You have to take plate, cotton, seeds, that's it and keep in warm place. Next, third step, keep the third plate in a warm place and cover the seeds with water. Next, you have to keep the seeds in the plate and you have to add cotton, water, full of water. The seeds have to submerge in that. Okay, so third case. Next, fourth case, keep the fourth plate in airy and warm place and keep the cotton always moist. In last plate, in fourth case, you have to take the plate and a cotton ball. You have to wet that cotton ball. Next, add some seeds and always sprinkle water. 1 hour after, you have to sprinkle water. So then you have to observe the 4 cases. So here, can you say which seeds germinate and grow into new plants? Why? Here, observations. First plate, there is no warmth and no growth. So you kept in a refrigerator that one. That's why that seed didn't get warm. Next, second one, there is no water. In second case, we didn't add water. Just we kept the arrangement in the warm place, in sunlight. That's it. We didn't give water. Next, third plate means in third case, there is no air. So we poured more water. We poured more water in the plate. So seeds didn't get air. So there is no growth. Next, fourth plate, there is air, water and warmth means sunlight also there. That's why there is a growth in the seedling. That means the seed germinated and grows into a new plant. This experiment proves us that seed can germinate only when air, water and warmth are available to it. When water, air, sunlight are available to a seed that can germinate. Otherwise, it can't germinate. So, I think you have understood clearly. Once this experiment you have to read. You take the page number 199 and once read the germination definition. Next, once read the experiment, understand the topic, and you have to do at your home. You have to do at your home, same as this experiment. Okay. Next, let us continue the exercise. Now, exercises are given. Now, I will tell you the answers. All of you open the book and write the answers. So here exercise first bit. First bit. Here give two examples for each of the following. First bit gives two examples for each of the following. First one, plants which reproduce through spores. Plants which reproduce through spores. Examples are, we have three examples in the textbook. Fen, moulds, mushrooms. Here you have to write only two. Plants which reproduce through seeds. Plants which reproduce through spores. Fens, moulds, mushrooms. Second one, plants which reproduce through roots. Plants which reproduce through roots. Carrot, sweet potato, radish, beetroot. Carrot, sweet potato, radish, beetroot. Plants which reproduce through roots. Carrot, beetroot, sweet potato, radish. Next, third one. Plants which reproduce through leaves. Bryophyllum, begonia. Plants which reproduce through leaves. Bryophyllum, begonia. Bryophyllum, begonia. Next, fourth one. Plants which are propagated by stem cuttings. Plants which are propagated by stem cuttings. Here, first one is rose, sugarcane. Rose, sugarcane. Plants which reproduce by stem cuttings. Rose, sugarcane. Next one, next bit. Choose the correct answer and write its letter in the brackets. Next one, choose the correct answer and write its letter in the brackets. First one, this is essential for the existence of life on the earth. Answer is oxygen A. Answer is oxygen A. Second one, mushrooms reproduce through. Mushrooms reproduce through spores. Answer is B. Next, third one, this is an underground stem. This is an underground stem. Answer is B. Onion. Underground stem is onion. Next, fourth one. The finger-like projections seen on ginger are called. The finger-like projections seen on ginger are called nothing but birds. Birds. B-U-D-S. Birds. Means answer is B. Next. Fifth one. This plant is a runner. This plant is a runner. Here answer is C. Grass. Answer is C. Grass. Next, sixth one. This fruit has hooks on the fruit wall. This fruit has hooks on the fruit wall. Example is here A. Xanthium. Next, seventh one. This fruit has fiber outer cover. This fruit has fiber outer cover. Answer is B. Coconut. Answer is B. Coconut. Next one, eighth one. This fruit is spongy and is dispersed by water. This fruit is spongy and is dispersed by water. Answer is B. Lotus. Answer is B. Lotus. Next, ninth one. This fruit breaks open to disperse seeds. This fruit breaks open to disperse seeds. Answer is A. Balsam. Answer is A. Balsam. Next, 10th one. The seeds of this fruit are dispersed by animals. The seeds of this fruit are dispersed by animals. Answer is B. Neem. Answer is B. Neem. Next one. Give one word for each of the following. Give one word for each of the following. Only 5 are there. 1. The process of producing young ones is called reproduction. The process of producing young ones are called reproduction. The baby plant inside the seed is called embryo. What is that? Embryo. First answer is reproduction. Second answer is embryo. Third one, the pot in which food is stored for the baby plant. Cotyledon. Cotyledon. C-O-T-Y-L-E-D-O-N. C-O-T-Y-L-E-D-O-N. Cotyledon. Next, fourth one. New plant growing from a seed. New plant growing from a seed. Seedling. Seedling. Or we can say germination. We can say germination. G-R-M-I-N-A-T-I-O-N. Germination. Next, fifth one. Roots in which food is stored. Roots in which food is stored. Example here, anyone you can write. Sweet potato, radish. Okay, so next exercise we will learn in next video.